Okay, today we'll be opening up this Mobil 1 oil filter, number M1-303A, and this Fleetguard oil filter, number LF16102. And I got this Mobil oil filter at Walmart for $11.34. But I got this Fleetguard oil filter for free. Yep, a very generous viewer who works in the heavy-duty trucking industry from Nashville, Tennessee, sent me this Fleetguard oil filter. Thank you. And these two filters are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. When the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
This is a pour. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your angle here, filtration, angle here.
Okay, let's start with the Mobil. We'll start with the box. Protects for 20,000 miles. Look over here. Removes over 99% of contaminants. And that's for particles greater than 30 microns. Take a look over here. Enhanced nitro gasket, durable anti-drainback valve. Okay, let's open this box up and see what this filter looks like. Okay, the date code F05P20F1. This is a sticker. And we look over here, it says Made in USA. And this Mobil has 6 elongated inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone anti-drainback valve. About 4 grooves there for threads. A metal core louvers. Bypass valve down below. And this is their enhanced nitro gasket, which is on here pretty good. Yeah. Pretty thick also. That looks nice. Okay, let's look at the Fleetguard oil filter. It comes sealed in this plastic, which I cut open. And let's look at the date code. Date code 221921823. Made in Mexico. This is printed on. This filter has 8 inlet holes. Also about 4 grooves there for threads. Metal core with louvers. Bypass valve down below. And a nitro rubber gasket. Which is also, it's not as on there as good as the Mobil, but it's pretty thick also. These are two pretty good sized oil filters. Let's open these up and see what's inside. Be right back. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. They're a little bit tipsy, so I'm going to weigh them this way. The Mobil is 595.7 grams. And the Fleetguard is 514.5 grams. Base plate, 202.6 grams. The Mobil, 276.2 grams. Let's take a look at these base plates. The Mobil here, Fleetguard. They both got about the same amount of grooves for threads. Both got plenty of inlet holes. The Mobil is a little bit thicker. It's a thicker base plate. You can see right here the depth of it compared to the Fleetguard. The Mobil's got a silicone anti-drainback valve, and the Fleetguard's got this big nitro rubber anti-drainback valve. They both cover up the holes nice. And gaskets with the Mobil, the Fleetguard. Mobil's a little bit wider. Okay, the filter elements. The Fleetguard, 170 grams even. Mobil, 147.7 grams. Let's take a look at the Mobil. We got a metal crimp seam. And the Mobil has 63 pleats. Nice and clean. Metal end caps. Bypass valve right here. A little spacey here, but that's not too bad. I guess something, it looks like I got a hair on there. Alright, and this Mobil has a micron rating of over 99% for particles greater than 30 microns. And it's a synthetic blend filter media. Yeah, it looks nice. And the Fleetguard. Fleetguard also has a metal crimp seam. And the Fleetguard has 61 pleats. And this is a cellulose media with a micron rating of 99% at 25 microns. The Fleetguard also has got metal end caps, bypass valve right here. And it's pretty clean. Yeah, both these filters are going to have a lot of filter media. And let's see what's inside these guys. Okay, the Fleetguard has a coil spring. And the Mobil has stamp leaf spring. See, it's got a nice curve to it. The cans, Fleetguard is 104.6 grams. The Mobil, 146.2 grams. Let's get some measurements. 0.59 millimeters thick for the Mobil. And the Fleetguard, 0.35 millimeters thick for the Fleetguard. Quite a bit thinner. You can feel it also. Yeah, I can tell there's a difference here. The filter elements. Fleetguard is 3.46 inches wide, and the Mobil 3.47 inches wide. Oh, they're almost the same. Alright, well, let's cut these two filters open, stretch them out, and see what they look like. Be right back. Okay, both filters went over my table. And the Mobil filter is 89.5 inches long, and the Fleetguard is 86.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness filter media. The Mobil is 0.95 millimeters thick, and the Fleetguard 0.92 millimeters thick. They're pretty close. This is the filtering side, back side. And let's look at them under a microscope. So you can tell they're different. The Mobil's a synthetic blend. This is a cellulose. Fleetguard's a cellulose, but they both look like they do a pretty good job filtering. They both almost have the same amount of square inches of filter media. And let's look at the rest of the filter. So we got the coil spring versus stamp leaf spring. These gaskets, the Mobil's a little bit wider. Both look fine though. Base plates, the Mobil's got a heavier duty base plate with this silicone drain back valve, so I'd give that to the Mobil. You know, you got this, but you got this big anti-drain back valve here, so. And this is a heavy duty base plate also. I mean, it's just the Mobil's a little bit more of a heavy duty, and the Mobil's got a thicker can, so I'd give that to the Mobil. And these two here, I measured them. I measured the Fleetguard wrong earlier. See how the difference? Somehow when I was measuring it with the calipers, I had it messed up. Now let's take a look at these guys' louvers here. Yeah, you can see they're all opened up nicely on the Mobil, and on the Fleetguard they look good too. So what do you guys think about these filters? And again, I want to thank the viewer from Nashville, Tennessee for sending me this Fleetguard oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The Mobil filter media weighs 43.3 grams. The Fleetguard filter media weighs 45.2 grams.